Green biotechnology refers to agriculture biotechnology. By this green biotechnology, we get good quality of food, good quality of harvest from the plants, good yields also. Good nutritious food is synthesized by the green biotechnology by utilizing of techniques in biology. In green biotechnology, following methods are there for the crop improvement. They are, first one is biofertilizers. The biofertilizers are NIF genes, phosphate solubilizing microorganisms, seaweeds, vesicular arbesicular mycorrhiza, and second one is bioinsecticides, and third one is tissue culture applications. So these are the methods of crop improvement for good yield and good crop production from the green biotechnology or agriculture biotechnology. Now first we discuss about the biofertilizers. Bio means life, fertilizers means utilizing of good nutrients to the plants. Using of good nutrients, mineral nutrients to the plants. Living organisms used as a fertilizers called biofertilizers. By using of biofertilizers, we can get good yield and good harvest from the plants. So first we discussed about the NIF genes from the biofertilizers. NIF genes means nitrogen fixation bacteria or nitrogen fixation gene. Nitrogen fixation gene present in the Rhizobium bacteria. The Rhizobium bacteria containing nitrogen fixation gene. The nitrogen fixation genes are mainly helps in the formation of root nodules in the Leguminosae family. The root nodules are formed by the Rhizobium bacteria. By the Rhizobium bacteria, root nodules are formed. The bacteria means Rhizobium bacteria are symbiotic position with roots of Leguminosae family plants. They mainly helps in the nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation in the root nodules means molecular nitrogen convert into nitrate ions or nitrite ions. Nitrate ions or nitrite ions. The nitrate and nitrite ions are utilized by the plant roots. At the same time, the bacteria, Rhizobium bacteria needed food material, the needed food material collected from the host plant of Leguminosae. It is in Rhizobium formation of root nodules in the Leguminosae family. By the using of rDNA technology, we selected the NIF genes from the Rhizobium bacteria. They are inserted into the vehicle. The vehicle means rDNA vehicle inserted into the host cell, another host cell. They can also produce root nodules, non-Leguminosae family plants. Non-Leguminosae family plants also can produce root nodules by the using of rDNA technology, by the insertion of NIF genes into another host plant of non-Leguminosae family. The non-Leguminosae family plants also can produce root nodules. The root nodules are mainly helps in the fixation of nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrate ions or nitrite ions. They are available around the root system. So next one is phosphorus solubilizing bacteria. Phosphorus solubilizer microorganisms. Phosphorus or phosphate solubilizing microorganisms. Mainly in the soil, phosphorus is in more number, but the more number of phosphate cannot utilized by the plant roots. That phosphorus is called rock phosphorus. Rock phosphorus present in the soil, the rock phosphorus cannot utilized by the plant roots. By the using of phosphate solubilizing microorganisms like bacillus bacteria. Like bacillus bacteria are utilized on these phosphate solubilizing microorganisms. They can helps in the dissolving of rock phosphorus. They can helps in the dissolving of rock phosphorus. The dissolved rock phosphorus means rock phosphorus convert into phosphate ions. That phosphate ions are utilized by the plant roots. In this process, we used for the absorption of phosphate by the root system, we used biofertilizers. That biofertilizers are phosphate solubilizing bacteria. Phosphate solubilizing bacteria are bacillus bacteria. Now next one, vesicular or vesicular mycorrhiza. Vesicular or vesicular mycorrhiza means vesicles. Vesicular means the long spheroidal like structures. Arbusculus means thread like structures. The thread like structures and spheroidal like structures are present in the formation of root system by the mycorrhiza. Mainly zygomycotina. Zygomycotina fungi are formed this type of vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. Mainly these vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizas are vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizas, VAM, and arbuscular mycorrhizas are multi-mutualistic symbiosis. Mutualistic symbiosis formed between the root of most plants. Mycorrhizal fungi enhance phosphorus uptake of their host plants, and that their presence is more prevalent in the roots in low phosphate soil. These mycorrhizas also increases the uptake of other minerals, nutrients, for example, phosphorus, copper, and zinc. Means vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizas are multi-static or mutualistic symbiosis. Mutualistic symbiosis means they are helps in the absorption of phosphorus. The plants cannot absorb the phosphorus by the plant root system because the phosphorus present in the form of rock phosphate. The rock phosphate cannot absorbed by the plants. Some mycorrhizas helps in the absorption of phosphorus. Not only phosphorus, zinc, copper, other nutrients are also absorbed by the mycorrhiza, and these absorbed nutrients are supplied to the host plants. Host plants mean which plants are contains VAM, vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza. The plants are called host plants, and the plants needed nutrients like phosphorus, copper, zinc. They are collected from the mycorrhiza. At the same time, mycorrhiza need food material. They are collected from the host plants. And the next one, bioinsecticides. Before bioinsecticides, seaweeds. The seaweeds are also used as a biofertilizers. Rhodophyceae algae, chlorophyceae algae. These algae are containing majority of nitrogen in the formation of bodies, thallus. So the thallus containing nitrogen element, the nitrogen element is more helpful for the plant growth. So these rhodophyceae, mainly rhodophyceae algae, are utilized as a biofertilizers in the cultivation of crops. Automatically, the nitrogen is supplied by the red algae. Red algae means rhodophyceae algae. So these algae are called seaweeds. And the next one is bioinsecticides. The bioinsecticides means living organisms, living insects like bacteria, virus. The bioinsecticides are also called biopesticides. Bio means involving of life or living organisms. Pesticides means include substance or mixture of substance intended for the preventing, destroying or controlling any pest, any other pest by the biopesticides. Biopesticides referred introduction of any living organisms such as microorganisms including bacteria, fungi, nematodes, viruses, protozoa, parasitoids, predators that controls pests by biological non-toxic means. Non-toxic means. Example, Trichoderma, Bacillus thuringiensis. These Bacillus thuringiensis used as a bioinsecticides or biopesticides. The bioinsecticides or biopesticides mainly BT, Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis mainly synthesized by the bacteria. These are treated with the seeds. That seeds are planted in the soil. The plants well developed when the insects, other pests are attacked on the plants by eating of pets of leaves. Automatically they eat in chemicals, Bacillus thuringiensis chemicals. That Bacillus thuringiensis chemicals mainly helps in the crystalline toxin in the pest of the gut. Pest of the gut. Gut means digestive system of the pest. Automatically the pest digestive system is collapsed. It modified into pores like structures. By this pores like structure, gut is damaged, so insects are died by the Bacillus thuringiensis. Now next one is BT brinjal, Bacillus thuringiensis brinjal. Here also BT brinjal seeds are also treated with the Bacillus thuringiensis gene. That gene is called cry gene. The cry gene is inserted into the vehicle. They are inserted into the vehicle means inserted into the RDNA inserted into the host cells. That host cells develop into healthy plants. In future days, any pests are attack on the plants. The pests are eaten the leaves of the host plant. Automatically, in this pest, endotoxins are released. That endotoxins are released by the Bacillus thuringiensis. By this Bacillus thuringiensis endotoxins, pest digestive system is damaged. The pest digestive system is damaged by the increasing of pH levels up to 9.5 pH levels, increasing of pH levels. By these increasing of pH level, bacteria helps in the damage of pest larvae. Pest larvae are damaged by the using of Bacillus thuringiensis. So these are the techniques used in the crop improvement. Not only these are techniques, here also we use application of tissue cultures. Application of tissue cultures means by the tissue culture procedure we can produce virus-free plants, we can produce somoclonal variations and secondary metabolites, synthetic seeds, crop improvement, micropropagation, genetic transformation, storage of germplasm called cryopreservation. These are the steps for the green biotechnology. So these are important